A public hearing is held to discuss the UFO phenomenon. A cylinder larger than the International Space Station has been orbiting the Earth since April 21. No media, neither scientists, nor NASA, nobody says anything. The images are taken from the transmissions, that is to say they are in the public domain. We say nothing. People are not fooled. These are images, extraordinary, which means that something is happening or that something is going to happen. A huge cylinder orbits the Earth on May 23–25, 2022. His presence was again recorded by witnesses, who followed the NASA live broadcast, May 25, 2022. Marcelo Alejandro Machado from Argentina noticed the moment, when the cylinder appeared very close to the space laboratory, which was moving over the Atlantic Ocean. He took out his cell phone and started videotaping this incredible moment, a very short shot. We can again appreciate its enormous dimensions, which could be comparable to those of the space station itself. 2 days earlier, on May 23, 2022, Héctor Hernández of Venezuela also recorded the cylinder, when he approached the space complex at the same time as it passed through Mali, Africa. In these cylinder recordings, it is possible to appreciate what is reflected on the screen. This allows us to establish that after completely watching the video made by Héctor Hernández, a singularity appears since she managed to record in the left corner. These amazing recordings add to 2 previous pieces of evidence that have recently been established. April 21, the presence of cylinder was reported, while the International Space Station was moving at the height of the Sinai Peninsula in Egypt. As well as various locations in Canada in the recordings, which were obtained from different angles, made it clear that the cylinder had the clear intention of being shown openly, and also, on May 2, 2022, it was recorded live by the cameras of the International Space Station ISS, as it moved near Formosa in Argentina. Curiously, reports of the cylinder have multiplied since the beginning of hostilities between Ukraine and Russia. What could this huge cylindrical structure be? Because these facts are ignored by the media. That underlined, it is no coincidence that it is documented, by various witnesses around the world, in entirely live transmissions from the International Space Station. There is not the slightest doubt that this is happening in full view, and sooner or later, it will be necessary to recognize the existence of the cylinder, which from space cannot be observed in silence.